How to transfer playlist from Spotify to Audiomack. Now this is actually possible, but we will be using a third-party website for this to work. So first things first is of course open up any reliable browser that you want to use, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now what you want to type in is just head straight into soundiiz.com, which is actually the one that is showing on your screen. So this is the Soundees homepage. You just have to create an account. It's totally free. And once you've successfully created an account, this is going to be the time that you will link or you have to connect your Audiomack and then your Spotify as well. You just have to click this option, the plus icon right here, to connect services. Now first is connect your Spotify, and then it will redirect you to log into your Spotify account. And once you have connected it, you'll have to add your Audiomack account as well. Logged into your Audiomack and you're good to go. And once everything is connected, it will automatically show up right here, and all your playlist for those applications will also show. The transfer between playlists is just to use this transfer button right here, and you're good to go. And that's it. That is how you transfer your playlist from Spotify to Audiomack.